Mr. Sun and Mr. Time are talking to each other. Shall we listen to them? Mr. Sun: Hi, you always come along with me, don't you? Yes. Mr. Sun: Do you know that the day begins when I rise up in the morning? And the day is divided into 4 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. But when I look at the watch, I only find numbers from 1 to 12. I'm confused. Can you explain? Mr. Time: Sure, a day has 24 hours. It has 2 parts. First, 12 hours for day, then next 12 hours for night, and hence 24 in all. Though the earth takes 24 hours to go around itself, this is just an easy way of indicating the day and night. Sun: Oh, now I understand. It is the movement of earth that makes me rise in the east and set in the west. Mr. Time: What are you made up of, Mr. Sun? Mr. Sun says, I am a very large, hot ball of fire with burning gases. Though I am big, I look small because I am very far away from the earth. Mr. Time: What about Mr. Moon? Is he also like you? He also gives light at night, isn't it? Mr. Sun: Mr. Sun laughs and says, Mr. Moon does not have light of his own. My light falls on the moon and it shines. In fact, there is no air on the moon and there is no life on the moon. Oh, is it? Does he move? Why does his shape change every day? He doesn't stay in a place but goes around the earth through. Mr. Moon doesn't change his shape on the day when my light falls on him completely. He looks big and bright on the day he is called a full moon. On the day when my light does not fall on him at all, he is called a new moon because you will not be able to see him. On the day when you can see only a small part of him, he is called a crescent moon. And sometimes we can see half of him too. He is called a half moon on that day. So, you are the biggest of all? Don't you rotate at all? No, there are many stars that are bigger than me. Since they are very far from the earth, they look tiny. Don't you know that I am also a star? You cannot see the other stars during the day because of my bright light. I do rotate. I rotate around myself. Oh, it's evening. Let me go now.